Why I trust MSTY to take care of me, even in a recession. Recession-proof investing. No. 1. They invest in a diversified portfolio of blue-chip stocks. These are companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google. These companies have a history of paying dividends and increasing them over time. The management team at MSTY has a proven track record of making sound investment decisions and taking care of their investors. This is important because during a recession, people still need to buy everyday essentials like food and medicine, and these companies provide just that. They have outperformed the S&P 500 over every rolling 10-year period since the Great Depression. Number 2, MSTY confidence. No. 3, dividend stability in the last recession. MSTY's dividends were some of the only ones that remained stable. This is because they focus on owning high-quality, recession-resistant businesses. During the last recession, they grew by 300%, and since then, they've continued to grow at a steady pace. They've been increasing their dividend for 11 straight years, which shows that they're committed to giving back to shareholders. But with MSTY, you can expect to make over 20% per year. They're committed to buying back 50 million shares per quarter. That's why I trust MSTY to take care of me. And their payout ratio is only 27%, which means they have a lot of room to grow their dividend even further. Number 4. Long-term wealth. The goal is to grow your wealth over the long term, and MSTY has a 25-year history of doing just that. During tough economic times, people turn to value investing, and this is where MSTY really shines. Since the stock market is a forward-looking mechanism, the market is already pricing in future growth, and when you have that much confidence in a company, it's a good sign. They have a strong balance sheet and a low debt-to-equity ratio, which means they are in a great position to weather any storm. And no. 5, financial resilience. Why I trust MSTY to take care of me even in a recession. First, it's recession-proof. While other companies are struggling, they're actually thriving. Second, there's a lot of confidence in the market. Third, their dividends are stable. Fourth, it's a long-term wealth builder. If you invest in the S&P 500, you can expect to make around 8 to 10% per year. And fifth, it makes me financially resilient. If something were to happen to me, my family would be financially taken care of because MSTY has a buyback program.